Hi everyone, my name is Eliza Dragon. If you're here, you probably found me from either Instagram or YouTube, but just in case you didn't, my name is Eliza and I like spooky makeup art. Okay, not always spooky, but mostly. And I'm on Patreon, so I can keep doing that. New to Patreon? It's pretty simple. All you do is pledge anywhere from $1 to $100 per month and receive fun rewards like silly bloopers or photos, or even something as big as like a handmade prop that I've made for one of my videos. Why am I here? So I can keep making content and motivation and food and feed my makeup addiction, and because I buy a lot of wigs. Oh, and makeup school. That's a real thing. And pricey. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. Even if you decide not to pledge, I understand. And I still appreciate you checking me out. And, you know, if while you're here you decide, oh, that girl's kind of weird, but maybe kind of fun. I kind of like her makeup and wigs. Like, maybe I'll just go and subscribe or something. Maybe follow her Instagram, share it a couple times, tell your friends. I don't know, just hypothetically. Is this how you ask for money? I don't know. I'm just gonna go that way.